Jaya Gopi Janavalabha Girivaradhari Bhava Girivaradhari Yashodanandana Rajajanarandana Yashodanandana Rajajanarandana Yamuna Tera Vanachari Yamuna Tera Vanachari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Radha Gopinath Radha Gopinath Radhe Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Nitai Gaura Haribo Gaura Deva Haribo Gaura Haribo Nitai Gauranga Nitai Gauranga Gaura Haribo Jai Shri Radha Gopinath Ki Srila Prabhupada Ki Narayana Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasan Tato Jayamudирayet Nastapraya Swapadresu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama-shloke Bhakti Bhagavate Nastike Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Agyanam Trimanandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshumalitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadama Hyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuttapada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavam Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Vitam Tam Sajevam Sadvetam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakam Vitam Shah He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namosute Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hare Priya Nama Mahavariyanya Krishna Prabhudayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gora Tvesi Namaha Nityanando Vado Chindo Vasudha Punavala Navajivita Pati Krishna Prabhupada Babu Padmavati Sutashiman Sachidananda Puvajaha Bhavan Mato Jagachatura Rata Gaura Karevadaha Panchakarpata Ruvya Kripa Sindhu Vyayevacha Pati Janam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Granth Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna. Welcome everybody to this morning's Bhagavatam class. We will take today's text from Srimad Bhagavatam Srimad Bhagavatam Canto 1, Chapter 7, text number 44, entitled The Son of Drona Punished. Canto 1, Chapter 7, text number 44. Sanskrit recitation. Sarahasyo Dhanurveda Savasargopasama Maha Astra Garamascha Bhavata Shiksito Yad Anugrahat Sarahasyo Dhanurveda Savisargopasamyamaha Astra Grahamascha Bhavata Shiksito Yadanugrahat Sarahasyo Dhanurveda Savisargopasamyamaha Astra Grahamascha Bhavata Shiksito Yadanugrahat. Sarahasyo Dhanurveda Savisargopasamyama Asragramascha Bhavata Sisiksto Yadanugrahat. What for translation? Sarahasya, confidential. Dhanurveda, knowledge in the art of manipulating bows and arrows. Sarga, releasing. Upasamyama, controlling. Astra, weapons. Gramaha, all kinds of. Cha, and. Bhavata, by yourself. Shiksitaha, learned. Yat, by whose. Anugrahat, mercy of. Translation of Prabhupada by Jagaguru Srila Prabhupada ki Jai Prabhupada. Translation. It was by Dronacharya's mercy that you learned the military arts of throwing arrows and the confidential arts of controlling weapons. Please repeat. It was by Dronacharya's mercy that you learned the military arts of throwing arrows and the confidential arts of controlling weapons. The Veda, or military science, was taught by Dronacharya with all its confidential secrets of throwing and controlling by Vedic hymns. Gross military science is dependent on material weapons, but finer than that is the art of throwing the arrows saturated with the Vedic hymns, which act more effectively than the gross material weapons like machine guns or atomic bombs. The control is by Vedic mantras or the transcendental signs of sound. It is said in a Ramayana that Maharaj Dasarath, the father of Sri Rama, used to control arrows by sound only. He could pierce his target with his arrow by only hearing the sound, without seeing the object. So, this is a final military science that the gross material military weapons used. This is a finer military science than that of the gross material military weapons used nowadays. Arjuna was taught all this, and therefore Draupadi wished that Arjuna feel obliged to Acharya Drona for all these benefits, and in the absence of Dronacharya, his son was his representative. That was the opinion of the good lady Draupadi. It may be argued why Dronacharya, a rigid Brahmana, should be a teacher in a military science. But the reply is that a Brahmana should become a teacher, regardless of what is his department of knowledge is. A learned Brahmana should become a teacher, a priest, and a recipient of charity. A bona fide Brahmana is authorized to accept such professions. Hare Krishna. Nama Vishnu Daya Krishna Sarvata Rishite Bhakti Vedana Sarasavati Krishna. Kam Karoti Vachalam Pandana Chagrim Iskapati Pande Shagrim. Hare Krishna. So here we hear the military strength of the civilized age. That in the civilized age, when we talk about military opulence, it was not just about the one who has the many atomic bombs and who has a very strong airspace defense system by these gross mechanical machines. But there is a finer science that Srila Prabhupada explained, which was more subtle. And with this science, they could control weapons, they could, call for weapons to hit the specific target. And that science was taught by Brahmanas or experts who knew this science. And Dronacharya was such a person. He was so much expert in the art of military science. Although he was a Brahmana, but explained by Srila Prabhupada, the Brahmana should be a teacher. And a teacher has different departments of school. Sometimes we are, like even in our mundane system, we have department of agri, department of science, applied science, department of this and that. So a Brahmana is a teacher. And teachers are supposed to be Brahmanas. Brahmanas are supposed to be teachers. But in these days, we find that most of the so-called teachers we have don't have any Brahmanical qualities. It was just recently we heard that in one senior high school, one teacher was engaging in illicit activities with the children and with the students. But that is not a Brahmana. A Brahmana should have a controlled senses. A Brahmana should be, very gentle. But in recent times, teachers don't really, some, I wouldn't say all, but majority don't really have these Brahmanical qualities. And that is a problem because the teachers, students, for like most parts of it, spend 8 hours or plus in the school. Within the 24 hours, they spend 8 hours in the school learning and maybe another 7 hours or 6 hours in sleeping. So let's say even if it's 8 hours to learn plus 6 hours, it's like 14 hours. So the rest 10 hours is at home, but that 10 hours is not really stable. So majority of the constant studies that children from like age of 5 years to tertiary or high school is being given by the teachers. And like in recent times where we have boarding schools, and it means that when a child leaves home, he's going to spend like 3 to 6 months of his or her life in the school being taught by somebody you don't know, you don't trust, but then they say he's qualified because he's in a very is in an institution which has been approved by the government. So to have teachers who are qualified, it is a duty of the Brahmanas, to train qualified teachers. And it's a duty of the government or the king to make sure that those who are teaching are qualified to be able to give the proper standard or the proper, tools and knowledge which is required for the development of the society. But these days, we don't have such things. Brahmanas are not qualified, teachers